Hello everyone, and bring another video on strategy for financial markets. In this case, has particular name during gold trade. The name of strategy is absolutely contrarianism. How does it works, and why does it have the name? I'm simply doing to the opposite. I could look for, perhaps you could try a strategy that didn't work for you. Every time I'm going in one direction, I lose, but that could be good because it could be a partner, and explain in some live classes daily session. Sometimes I use the catalog, and sometimes some pattern word opposite. Contrary to what analysis, it could be to consider the partner for me to predict against the strategy. What I have to do is look for a strategy that does not work for me. That is because it may be that it works, I propose it. But in what is good, perhaps it consists with the price action, but really going to look for it, going to enter when what's tell me to enter upward or downward. All right. More than anything else is qualitative criterion. You could say that I'm here not being guided by anything else. I'm not here because of this. Because of that, I'm going to against what is telling me. Well, the strategy that's failing because you see that the strategy is respecting the time. We are not going to trade against it because I'm going to lose everything. All right. So let's prepare for that, guys. Just pay attention when I'm explaining that. Try to follow the same settings for that. Okay. As you can see, that is I'm only using 3 lines of moving average. That's very simple. And explain that strategy is about. I'm going to put 3 lines. Okay. And we're gonna use kernel channel to get rid of that. So that's the full settings. You can use that. Okay. That is very, very simple. So look at give me a tie here. You can see that. Okay. The first one. You just perform that with 30 seconds and get a tie. That's the draw. And this is again. Perform another entry on that one. You can use the kernel channel, guys, and we'll just perform that. That's a buy button. That's pretty good. Look at that, the resistance line for that. Okay. And that could happen to a lot of people, and they'd say, but why did I lose all the most of them? Well, I'm due to deposit all of what is tell me. That's what we're going to test. Okay. Is that feasible? Is that was work one? We're gonna see that. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. That's the line. Look at this. Alright, so guys, don't worry about this one. I'm just trying to show you that's how to work this. That is not like for you, oh, try to use this strategy, but I'm showing for you that is what can happen with it trying to use a new strategy. All right. And look at that. 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. That's respecting right now. That's very simple. That's pretty good. Just got $50 of profits on this. Okay. I had the first success based on absolute contradiction. Here one short, right? But the trend is upward. So that is convergence with what I'm saying. Well, I hope it is giving me the answer when I get it. I'll take it, explain it. And look at this. All right. That's a downward, but I just got a revert on that. We are against up, just revert. Okay. This open moving average line is just showing for us that is a downtrend, but that we got revert on the moments of the green candle. That's good. Remember that concept, guys. It's against the trend, depends on which individual, not going with. And that's what this video is about. It's a video, it's a little different because there's no respective setup as such. I could use any concept that could in the favor of the analysis, that is the price break in the candle channel, enter to testing, that blah blah blah, that's testing to support, and that's pick up resistance and enter on the downside. And look at that. That's respect right now, $93 of profit. And let's go again. Let's do the next one. Okay, the answer is considered support. If you look here, I'm basically entered on the average again. Right, entering upward. Just when I click on it, it reacts quickly. I could apply the concept here, right? But look, the price is going to fall because it's not passing the candle line. It could be in my entry condition against it. But yes, the candle has changed again. But if you analyze the macro, where's the trend going? Let's see that. 3 minutes. All right. Look this on the line. Okay. Maybe this candle itself resistance on that is trying to go down. We got the support line from the candle. Okay.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
So we have a lot of criteria on that. Guys, this strategy is most effective when the indicators in downward position in contrary trend. That this is go up. When it's giving me the downward signal, I'd go up because of that. Okay, and look at this again. We got another win. And that is pretty good. And it could work, all right? It could work clearly very well. Indicators downward position in the upward trend, indicators at the upward position in a downward trend. Because when you give me that confirmation, the position went in the positive direction, like this revert. So pay attention on that and be careful. All right. But when the market strategies work for me, I trade against it. It tells me, and it could change results. Right. So see you in the next video, guys. Write your comments and write your opinion in the comments. See you daily live session. Have a great day. Actually, right now, see you. Wish you good profits. Bye bye. See you.